Hi, welcome to the basic B-flat scale. We're only playing the major scales, only one scale in the basic section. So far we have done 9 scales. This is going to be the 10th. No, we've done 10, yeah. 10 scales, B-flat's the 11th, F-sharp's going to be the last one, and then we're done with basic scales. So let's begin. We're going to play B scale, which looks like this. B-flat scale, sorry. So this can be B flat or it can be A sharp, depending how, if you're starting out, I like calling this note B flat. That's how I'm comfortable with. But if you've been playing music and you know this scale is A sharp, sorry, I teach with B flat. So I'll try to say A sharp as much as I can as well. Okay, so the way we start it, we don't start with thumb. And this is a special scale. It's not the same fingerings as the other scales. We start with second finger. So we're going to do second finger on B flat, first finger on C, second finger on D, third finger on E flat. Then we're going to do first finger again on F, second finger on G, third finger on A, and fourth finger on B flat. That's how you go up. So let's do it again. Second on B flat, first on C, second on D, third on E flat, first on F, second on G, third on A, and fourth on B flat. And we go down same way. Fourth on B flat, third on A, second on G, first on F, third is going to be on E flat, second on D, first on C, and second on B flat. So practice 1 octave with your right hand until you feel comfortable. When you're comfortable with playing 1 octave, then we could do 2 octaves like I just did. We go second finger, start with second finger, and then we end on fourth finger, and then instead of ending on second, we could end on fourth because our first finger is going to start on C, just like right here. C, fourth finger, C, same exact thing. So we go 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Pretty easy. And we go down 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 2. It just repeats and repeats. It's only different when you start off and when you end it. So practice 2 octaves. Until you feel comfortable. Now, with the left hand, you're not going to start with 5th finger, like at the same... Actually, no. Yeah. You're going to start with the 5th finger, but you're going to end with 2nd finger. The reason to that, so you can continue with the 1st finger right here. And then you go 3rd finger and end it with 2nd finger when you move on further. So, 5th finger on B flat, 4th on C, 3rd on D, 2nd on E flat, 1st on F, then we go 4th on G, 3rd on A, and 2nd on B flat. And now we go down. 2nd on B flat, 3rd on A, 4th on G, 1st on F, 2nd on E flat, 3rd on D, 4th on C, and 5th on B flat. So practice until you got 1 octave pretty comfortable. Go up and go down. Now we're going to do 2 octaves with the left hand. 4th finger, 4th finger, and then you end your 2nd finger on B flat. So we go 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2. And we go down 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's how we end it. So play 2 octaves. You can pause the video anytime, rewind it if you have to see how this works. This is a tricky scale with tricky fingerings because of the B flat and the E flat are not really comfortable to keep going up and down. So once your left hand is comfortable doing 2 octaves, now we're going to do 1 octave with 2 hands. So we start with 2nd finger on B flat with right hand and 5th finger with B flat on left hand. So we go B flat, C, D, E flat, and then the thumb goes on F, 4th finger goes on G, and then we end it. And now we go down. Thumb goes on F, 3rd finger goes on E flat, and then 2nd finger ends it. Oops, with the right hand. So we go up, switch, switch, end it, and down. Switch, switch. So practice with 1 octave, 2 hands until you feel comfortable. Once you got 1 octave down, now you're gonna go 4 or 2 octaves, 2 octaves. So we go B, switch, left hand right here, then thumb on C, 3rd finger on D, thumb on F, 4th finger on G, and now we go down. Thumb on F, 3rd finger on E flat, thumb on C, 4th finger on B flat, thumb on F, 3rd finger on E flat, and end it. 2nd finger right here. Do it for 2 octaves until you feel comfortable. Good. Once you feel comfortable with 2 octaves, playing with both hands up and down, now we're going to do 4 octaves, playing 25 times skipping, 25 times straight. Once you've done skipping 25 times, then we go 25 times straight. Good. We just completed the B flat major scale, and now it's time to move on to our last scale, F.